everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get it done. I'm going to give you step-by-step details on it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. All right, with all that being said, let's get into it.
Okay, the first thing you need to do is clean off the door of where the window visor will be going. You can use any household cleaner to do this with. You need to get off any glue or adhesive that is already on the door. You want to make sure that you finish cleaning off the area with some type of alcohol so that way it gets rid of all the oil and debris that's left behind.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
It is now time to install the window visor. Now go ahead and line up your window visor and make sure it's the right one and everything looks good. Go ahead and take it out of the package. This one comes with adhesive tape already connected. You just have to peel it off. Now this is where it's really important. You pretty much only get one shot at this, so you want to line up your corners perfectly on both sides before you put any pressure on it. Once it looks good, just push down firmly. Congratulations! You now know how to install a window visor. Yes sir, I'll get that to you as soon as possible. No problems there. Oh, hang on, sir. Hang on. Wow, you're still watching? I must have done something amazing on this video. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, well, that's a wrap on this one. Bobby B out. Till next time.